After all the success we had with our wild card, a credit card sized pocket knife, we decided to take a stab at the classic EDC knife. If you're looking for an innovative take on a classic knife design, this is the knife for you. Pocket knives are bulky. This knife, laser cut from stainless steel, fits perfectly into the coin pocket of your jeans. The ST-2 gets its name from the two blade guards. The blade is only sharpened on one side, so you're not going to cut yourself on it when it's being carried in your pocket. Each knife uses Utility's unique FlyOff pivot technology. There are no screws involved, and the pivot allows the knife to be both smoothly operated and disassembled. At Utility, we wanted a knife that was thin. How thin?
Super thin!
Metal origami. The ST-2 pocket knife. Buys Utility, made in USA.